Now look at this question number 64 in section C. So question is that let A be a n cross n non-singular matrix with real entries and B equal to A transpose denote the transpose of A, then which of the following matrices are positive definite? First one is A plus B, second A inverse plus B inverse, and third one is A times B, and fourth one is A times B times A, right? That's what we will make A, B, A. How we can approach such questions? So what is this given? We have just given you the non-singular matrix, right? So let's try to understand this question. Okay? How to do this? Okay? So what is the definition of positive definite? So matrix is said to be positive definite if A transpose equal to A and X transpose A of X is greater than or equal to 0 for all X. If it is real, then it, of course we are working over Rn, and is equal to 0 if and only if X is equal to 0. That's the definition for a positive definite. The matrix is to be positive definite if it is going to symmetry and X transpose X is greater than or equal to 0, and this is equal to 0 if and only if X is equal to 0. Use that. So first option. If A is non-singular, does it imply A plus A transpose is positive definite? False. Let's take A equal to minus identity. This is a non-singular matrix. B is equal to also minus identity, but this is the transpose of A. What is A plus B? Minus 2 times identity. Check this is not positive definite, okay? Because positive definite, so this statement is equivalent to all eigenvalues should be positive and matrix should be symmetric. So a symmetric matrix whose all eigenvalues are positive is positive definite. That's the other way around this. So if you look at this all eigenvalues are negative, and that is minus 2, not positive. Second, A inverse plus B inverse, same example will work. Third, AB, what is AB? AB is here nothing but A into A transpose. Check that X transpose A into A transpose into X is nothing but, right, AX transpose into A transpose X. Okay, so look at this, and this is always greater than 0 for all X not equal to 0, because A is invertible, so X non-zero matrix. So invertible matrix maps non-zero matrix to a non-zero matrix, and this is product of two non-zero vectors, and hence it is always positive. So this is positive definite. Third one. So first, second is false, third one is true. And what about the fourth one? Fourth one is AB. Again the same example will work here. Not AB, A you will get by above is nothing but minus identity. It is again false. So only this option. Third one. So so basic things if you know, you can easily give the answer to all these questions. For that your theory should be sound, and if you are feeling difficulty, don't worry, work hard as much as you can and feel positive and do mathematics, okay? So I hope you got it, right?